皆さん、こんにちは。ゆうき here. In this video, I'm going to talk about にする。It is used when you decide on something. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's start learning about how to use にする。So noun plus にする。That means decide on something. If you know Pokemon, when you start the game, you have to select one monster out of 3. So you can use this phrase にする. So for example, I can say これにする. So for example, Charmander にする. Charmander is 人影 in Japanese. So 人影にする. And if you're younger and more familiar with these Pokemons, it's the same thing. これにする. Alright, example sentence. どのポケモンにする？どのポケモンにする？どのポケモンにする？ Have you decided on which Pokemon you pick? Pretty much which Pokemon would you like? 人影にする。人影にする。I decided on Charmander. Alright, another example sentence. どのレストランにしますか？どのレストランにしますか？ That means which restaurant should we decide on? Or which restaurant would you like to go to? Pretty much the same thing. And let's say I want to go to ramen shop. And I say, あのラーメン屋にしましょう。あのラーメン屋にしましょう。That means let's decide on that ramen shop. Or let's go to that ramen shop. Next example sentence. もう遅いので明日にしましょうか。もう遅いので明日にしましょうか。It's late already. Shall we decide to continue tomorrow? So, もう that means already. 遅い that means late. 明日 that means tomorrow にしましょうか。そう、明日にしましょうか。Shall we do the rest tomorrow? Another way to use にする. And this time, verb plus ことにする. Verb ことにする. That means decided to do something. And opposite of that is verb ないことにする. Verb ないことにする. That means decided not to do something. Right, so let's look at more example sentences with ことにする and ないことにする. 自分の国に帰ることにする. 自分の国に帰ることにする. That means I decided to go back to my own country. Right, 自分 that means myself. 国 that means country. So 自分の国 that means my own country. 帰る that means to go home, go back. ことにする that means decided on. So I've decided to go back to my own country. Next example sentence. 次は渋谷に行くことにした。次は渋谷に行くことにした。I decided to go to Shibuya next. 次 that means next. 渋谷 that's a name of a place in Tokyo. And that's full of young people. A lot of young people like to hang out there, go to stores and shops and restaurants around there. There are a lot of stuff to do. Anyways, Shibuya, that means Shibuya, place in Tokyo. に行く that means to go to Shibuya. And then ことにした。行くことにした that means decided to go. 次は渋谷に行くことにした。I've decided to go to Shibuya next. Next example sentence. お金は後で考えることにします。お金は後で考えることにします。I'll think about money later. So, お金は talking about money 後で later 考えることにします。Decided to think about it. So, I'll think about money later. Next example sentence. あの人とはもう会わないことにした。あの人とはもう会わないことにした。I decided not to meet the person again. Right, so あの人 that means that person. もう会わない not going to meet anymore. ないことにした that means decided not to. So, あの人とはもう会わないことにした。I decided not to meet the person again. Alright, this is a real life example sentence. And I got this sentence from Twitter. The other day it was Halloween, so this person made a tweet like this. Trick or treat. お菓子にする？いたずらにする？お菓子にする？いたずらにする？ Are you going to pick, trick, or treat? So, お菓子 that means sweets or snacks. いたずら that means prank, trick in this case. So, お菓子にする Are you gonna pick, treat? Or いたずらにする Are you going to pick, trick? Right. So, お菓子にする、いたずらにする That means trick or treat in Japanese. And then this person says それとも両方 or both. So I thought that was fun for around Halloween time. Alright, quiz time. Translate these sentences into Japanese using にする. Number 1. I decided on curry for dinner. Number 2. Which drink would you pick? Number 3. I've decided not to eat anything today. I'll put the example answers in the description. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, thank you so much for watching until the end and I hope to see you in the next one. またね。